Hi there. In this video, we're going to check out the 5 best models for you. Now, we made this list based on our personal opinion after doing hours of research and ranked them based on their quality, features, and all other important facts. So if you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Now, let's start the video.
In this video, we'll show the 5 best drawer microwaves on the market that will help you to choose the best one for you. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular, Sharp SMD 2470AS Microwave Drawer Oven. Are you tired of your food burning every time you try to cook it in the microwave? The Sharp SMD 2470AS Microwave Drawer Oven is just for you. With an elegant design that helps save space in your cramped kitchen, this microwave oven is perfect for people on the go. Not only does the microwave draw-out features let you cook your favorite foods with ease, it features an easy-to-read hands-free opening system. This drawer microwave allows for easier cooking, saving of prep and cleanup time with its often used dish capacity of 1.2 cubic feet. Number 2. Sharp KB6524PS 24-inch Microwave Drawer Oven. Sharp KB6524PS microwave drawer is one of the most versatile appliances, boasting 950 watts of excellent cooking power and 4 different heating methods, including convection. The drawer microwave offers an easy way to brown or crisp ingredients or reheat items without dirtying any dishes. This Sharp appliance also features auto-touch controls, so it will open automatically when your hands are full, making mealtime much easier. You'll almost always get perfect results because 11 sensor programs virtually eliminate guesswork from cooking times and defrost duration. Number 3. ZLINE 24-inch 1.2 cubic feet Drawer Microwave. The ZLINE 24-inch 1.2 cubic foot built-in microwave drawer is a great addition to any kitchen with easy one-touch cooking and an easily viewable LCD display. Cooking power of 1000 watts provides thorough cooking or defrosting, and a control lock ensures safety with easy opening for leftover noodles on the go. Stainless steel finish guarantees that your drawer microwave will look as good as new throughout its lifetime, and the interior is stain resistant too, so you never need to worry about getting messy foods out of it. Number 4. Cosmo COS 12MWDSS Drawer Microwave. Cosmo's 24-inch built-in microwave drawer, those days are over. This appliance has an automatic cooking option as well as 11 presets including melt, soften, popcorn, and beverage functions, so there is no need to use additional pans or dishes if you don't want to. With 1000 watts of power, this drawer microwave is sure to make mouths water. The 11 different presets are perfect for tweaking temperatures on the fly, while smart defrosting provides a quick way to heat up the frozen pizza or reheat yesterday's leftovers with precision timing. Number 5. FORTÉ F2412 MVD8SS 24-inch Drawer Microwave. The F2412 MVD8SS 24-inch microwave drawer is a great choice for when you need to combine convenience with an upright form. The generous 1.2 cubic feet capacity is perfect for heating individual portions of leftovers throughout the day or evening without having to wait 20 minutes every time. With 10 power levels and 1000 watts, this drawer microwave meets daily demands reliably, all while doing it in style with its sleek stainless steel finish exemplifying modernity and practicality.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future.